Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Vertex AI, the future of artificial intelligence. Subscribe and let's start.
Vertex AI isn't just another AI platform, it's a game changer. These incredible machines are a testament to the AI capabilities. They learn, adapt, and perform tasks with unmatched precision. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Advanced analytics tools turn raw data to actionable insights.
Vertex AI has transformed our business. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. The support from Vertex AI's team is exceptional. They're always there to help us harness the full potential of AI. But we are not stopping here. Our vision for the future is even more exciting. Projects that will change the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Vertex AI is committed to making a positive impact on a global scale. Thanks for your watching and don't forget to subscribe to Creative Life. We will meet soon with an exciting content in next video. Bye bye.